Dear students, coming to this ninth quality called self-confidence. Now, what is self-confidence? Self-confidence comes from experience, it comes from practice, it comes from concept clarity, it comes from courage coupled with knowledge. इसीलिए एक शब्द होता है होश और जोश. होश जानकारी और जोश करेज. इससे तैयार होता है सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस. जब आदमी को अपने पे आत्मविश्वास होता है, खुद पे विश्वास होता है. When a person has self confidence, he not only performs well, but he inspires others. क्योंकि वो आगे खुद आता है. सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस वैसे देखा जाए तो बहुत जगह यूज होता है, इनिशिएटिव में भी होता है, पर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस ज़्यादातर अनुभव के आधार पर तैयार होता है. अनुभव के तैयार पे, प्रैक्टिस के तैयार पे, सीखने के बेसिस पे तैयार होता है, उसी के आधार पर तैयार होता है. सो हाउ डू यू डेवलप सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस? इट कम्स फ्रॉम स्पीकिंग ऑल्सो, इट कम्स फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिस ऑल्सो, इट कम्स फ्रॉम थिंकिंग ऑल्सो. बट इट इज ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड गुड सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इज दैट कॉन्फिडेंस विच इज नॉट गेस, इट इज होमवर्क. कई लोग गेस करके चीजें करते हैं, वो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस होता है. कुछ लोग कुछ करते ही नहीं है, वो अंडर कॉन्फिडेंस होता है. और सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस होता है प्रैक्टिस से. इज इट क्लियर? Everyone is clear that self-confidence comes from practice, self-confidence comes from awareness, self-confidence comes from experience. So same thing, you have to first be clear ki what are we talking about. Now when we talk about these people, Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Data, these are 4 people who have written different stories and you have to learn from that. How will you write this story of self-confidence? Now here one story which very beautifully underlines this quality, that there's a person, he has to give a debate competition. So he not only watches people giving debate, but he goes to the YouTube, watches people giving debates. He goes to few apps which are able to educate him how to give a effective speech, how to speak effectively in a right tone, how to do research, how to create pointers. And once he picks all this, he practices that. He practices it well so that he can give up a better show. He remembers that people have trusted, and this is a beautiful opportunity which he should use full. And thereafter, as he has practiced well and he has given it to his friends, then also in front of the teachers as a practice. So when he goes and does in the stage, he does well and becomes the top 3 winners or top 2nd winner, or you want to make him the top winner, whatever. But this gentleman has written that he became the 3rd. He wins the 3rd position in the debate competition, which was very tough. अब इसने एक नेचुरल चीज लिखी. क्यों लिखी है? क्योंकि इसने अपनी PIQ में डिबेट भी कर रखा था, और साथ साथ में इसका सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस जो है वो कहाँ से आया? मेहनत से आया, प्रैक्टिस से आया, सही नॉलेज से आया. और उस समय जब इसने परफॉर्म किया, कैसे किया? लयबद्ध किया, इन ए फ्लुएंट मैनर. So this is beautiful. This speaks of self-confidence. But it is a story which is written how he multiplies his confidence. दूसरे जनाब ने लिखा है कि initially so and so was very not good at quiz, but he gets an opportunity, he decides to take it as a challenge. And then to multiply his confidence, he practices well. He not only studies encyclopedia, he also studies different quiz book, he studies different chapters, he studies all the multiple choice questions so that he can be crystal clear. उसने comparative study भी की. Now once he was very clear and now he had good memory in his mind, without taking wrong risk, he attempted and won the quiz competition of the school. लिखा है साहब. तो ये self confidence की stories भी हैं. Because you know, I want to tell you what is self-confidence. It comes from practice, it comes from experience, it doesn't come from seeing me. Don't look at me and gain confidence. No. You have to practice. There are many soldier entries who watch and they think that they will do it. No. Practice speaking. Control your power of expression. And thereafter use your mind to give the right expression. ये है यार. मेरी प्रशंसा करने से आपका कुछ नहीं होने वाला. मैं आपके सिर्फ सामने एक उदाहरण हूं जिसका आप अनुसरण कर सकते हैं. अनुसरण मीन्स कॉपी. सीख सकते हैं. मेरी तरह अभ्यास कीजिए. You know, when you pick now this beautiful one, this story of we are talking about Charlie, what he has written? He has written that so and so was to give a performance in Bada Khana competition of singing. So this person practices singing of the same song. So he uses a app called Star. आता था ना Star Singer. तो इसने खूब उसमें अभ्यास किया singing का. Karaoke use किया in the YouTube, and thus he practiced himself. Now he was very confident, and he now decides to give a good performance without any hesitation. But he does it very well, sings in the right tones, right melody, and everybody appreciates. अब ये कहानी, इसमें कहाँ है बहादुरी, कहाँ है समस्या? अरे sometimes write off stories on experience also. Experience also educate people. Experience train mind. Where is the problem? So he has written a beautiful story here. Now similarly, this boy on the record also, he has written that he always learns from what his officer does, and so when his officer gives him an opportunity to do, he does it very carefully with full attention, remembering whatever he's done, using all the right formulas, sometimes checking the books, and does it. Now ये इसको अगेन सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस टाइप स्टोरी है. पर याद रखिए, जब भी कभी आप एक क्वालिटी पे स्टोरी बनाते हैं, 2-3 क्वालिटी आपकी वेन डायग्राम की तरह ओवरलैप होती है. Whenever you write a story on something with a theory, with a belief that I am writing something on self-confidence, you also land up writing something on communication, you end up writing something on courage, initiative, planning, organizing. All these type of qualities do come. Now self-confidence also comes by listening to you. You know, the power of saying no is also self-confidence. Right time saying no. So self-confidence is very important, and self-confidence multiplies with time, practice, experience. And if you have been having a rich history in your school of house activities, game activities, other activities, you have also seen in your neighborhood, in your family, self-confidence will be there. एक लड़का या एक लड़की जो समाज में, परिवार में हर काम करते रहते हैं और वो अधिकांश हिस्से में कभी ये कभी वो, उनका आत्मविश्वास हमेशा अच्छा होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि उनको अनुभव होता है, उनको अभ्यास होता है. और जो व्यक्ति शर्मीला है, बोलने में डरता है, तो वो क्यों है? क्योंकि उसको अभ्यास नहीं, अनुभव नहीं. Fear dies only when you practice. Fear is nothing but a style of thought in your mind. डर कोई चीज नहीं है, आपके अंदर एक सोचने का तरीका है. अच्छा होता है, डर हेल्दी भी होता है. अगर डर हेल्दी ना हो, आप निडर हो जाएं, तो आप बेशरम भी हो सकते हैं. अगर डर सकारात्मक रूप से यूज करोगे तो अच्छा है, इफ यू यूज इट राइटली. But if you use it negatively, it will kill your confidence. But if you use it rightly, it will multiply your confidence. आप लोग कई बार मैथ्स एग्जाम देते हो. You give maths exam, do you? Yes. On basis of formulas and other things, don't you? And when you give maths exam, what happens? If you are very clear of concept, very clear of formula, then what takes you to complete the problem? Self-confidence. That makes you complete the solution. There are some people I have seen who recheck, recheck. What do? They only attempt few. Many of the people I really would have loved to see them as an officer. Unfortunately, there were 2-3 girls, 2-3 boys last time, and they did not make it as an officer because they tended to be hesitant. Leave your hesitation apart. Come forward. Practice. That is self-confidence. And self-confidence is the fear. Self-confidence will overpower the fear in you. जो आपका डर है, नई चीज का हमेशा डर होता है, थोड़ा सा होता है, और होना भी चाहिए. तभी सतर्कता आती है, तभी बुद्धिमानी चलती है. Then only your wisdom works. Then only you become alert. So self-confidence, when you overcome the required level of fear, and you are aware, and you are using your concepts, you are using logic, you are using right psychological belief system, you are self-confident. Hope it is understood. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.